Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Citibank credit card to Access Bank. So first, of course, you would like to have a Citi card. And if you don't, of course, you will have to go to citi.com, hit the enter button. Make sure to log in, of course, open an account if you don't have an account, or log in into your account if you have an account. For the phone, it's going to be the same. You'll have to download the app and log in using your user ID or touch ID, or even register for an account if you don't have an account yet. So now, as an example, if you want to add your credit card to the Access Bank, because there was a transition, as an example, from Citibank into like Access Bank, starting from this date, and of course, it will reach everybody. So as you can see, during transition, you'll be able to enjoy the product's benefits and privileges of Axis Bank. Your bank account, Citibank, debit card, credit card numbers will remain the same. As you can see, codes will remain the same, and you'll be able to keep using the Citibank app as an example on mobile or even online or even reach out to Citi phone. The only thing that will change is basically the Citibank branches will be now branded as Access Bank for all your needs. So now how can you add basically the card to your Access Bank? So as an example, I will show you through this video like just some visuals because I cannot access the Access Bank. I don't have an account in it. But as you can see, once you'll have to go to Access Bank, whether it's online or app, and make sure to log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, as an example, and click on pay bills, you'll find here a Citibank option. Click on it, and then you'll be able to add your credentials from the Citibank. So all you need to do, just enter those credentials here, and then of course make sure to confirm the changes. And once you logged in again, of course, you'll and click on pay bills, you'll be able to pay with the bank or Citibank credit card that you added before, and you should be then good to go. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.